I chose Kent for my PhD because since I was here already for my master's, I already had a sort of connection with the place and with Canterbury. So I decided to stay here for 4 more years and finish my PhD. My research is based on humanoid robots, and I'm developing locomotion manipulation algorithms for humanoid robots. I was using different algorithms to improve, for example, the manipulation of the robot and grasping a certain object from a place that is unknown to the robot. My supervisor for my PhD was my supervisor for my master's, so we already had that supervisor-student connection, so we continued working together for the next 4 years for my PhD. For my application for my PhD, I had to submit a letter and as well different qualifications. For example, because I am a non-English speaker, native English speaker, I had to submit a certificate for an English language test. At the beginning, for the first few months, usually what we have to do is just read and generate a literature review so that we have an idea of what's out there already. Then we have to come up with our own ideas, so that will involve a lot of other research and different mathematical methods and so on that will help us implement our algorithms. Then we have to go into implementing algorithms on the actual machine. So we have to start coding and then do different testing. The testing part is probably the most boring part because sometimes you have to test over and over again and just until you modify it until it actually works. As I already did my master's at the University of Kent, the elements that I've learned during my master's were very useful during my PhD. So for example, during your master's you are being taught how to do research, how to prioritize your research and everything you have to do for your topic, how to know which papers you should use and which ones you shouldn't because they're not very good, which conferences are well known and which conferences you should apply to. So all of these elements will help you go through your PhD.